Hello everyone, just wanted to check in and take a look at kind of where we're heading here. You can see that I've animated something here, having it change colors, and it's the head. So if I were to press play here, you might be able to see that the color around the head, the glow is getting bigger and smaller. All of the different layer styles that are available in Photoshop are also available here, like outer glow, except they can also be keyframed. So that's why we can animate this. You can see the keyframes changing. The other animation on here is the puppet pin tool. So I've got these separate tentacles and being able to put pins in them and then move them around over time is what I used for that. And the ears were both on the same layer. So all I could really do, instead of having them rotate individually, was just stick puppet pins in them and stretch them out. It doesn't affect the head because they are on their own layer. But what I really wanted to do was have the horn glow and then have that spring out with the star on the end. And I can't do that because it's all merged together on one head layer. Much more difficult to then go and extract it, get it on its own layer, and then change things up here in After Effects afterwards. So you really want to have your plan ahead of time before we come in here to After Effects to make things happen.